alaikum to all mathematicians. How are you, my genius students? I hope you all are doing great. So class, today is 3rd of June 2021 and today is Thursday. Fine? Okay. So yesterday we discussed about addition and subtraction of linear expressions. Isn't class? Addition and subtraction involving linear expressions. Fine? Okay. So who will first of all tell me what are linear expressions? We have discussed yesterday linear expressions. Yes, Vanya, you tell me. Very good. Those expressions in which variable power is equal to 1. Those expressions in which variable power equals to 1. For example, I have 3x minus 1 and I have another example which is 3y cube minus 3. So when I will compare both of the examples, so which example is fit into linear expression? कौन सी होगी? Very good. First example, because in first example the power of variable equals to 1. Fine. Now class, in yesterday lesson we have discussed different variables with different signs. For example, I have 3x minus y plus 2x plus 3y. Fine class? So when we have this type of question, first of all, as I told you in yesterday lesson, we will simply combine the like terms. So what terms are like? Who will tell me in this question which terms are same? Yes, Aman, you tell me. Very good. If you look, the first term which indicates 3x and the other term which having same variable which is 2x. I will write as it is. Fine. Now we have another term which is minus y, and if you look, we have the remaining term having y also. So we will write 3y with it. So when we will combine the like terms, in next step we will simply make a pair. So इसका पेयर बना देंगे और इसका पेयर बना देंगे. क्यों हम लोगों ने पेयर बनाया? Because we want simplification of this. We want simplification of this. So simplify इसको करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? कंबाइन करते हैं जो like terms होती हैं. Isn't class? उसके बाद हम क्या करते हैं? like terms के बाद we will make them pairs. We will make a pair. So if in first pair you have 3x plus 2x. Isn't? 3x plus 2x. So in this pair both variables are same. जब दोनों variables क्या होंगे? Same होंगे. So we will write only one time the variable. So we will write x here as it is. Fine. When we will write x here, we have, look the numbers. So in this pair we have first term which is 3 and the other term is 2. Fine. अब numbers तो हमारे पास 3 हैं and 2 हैं, 3 और 2 है, but हम क्या देखेंगे? What type of sign is in between? कौन सा साइन जो है इसके मिड में होगा? If you look in this question we have positive sign. सो वी विल सिंपली ऐड द नंबर्स। बट उसके लिए भी पहले आपने कंडीशन क्या देखनी है कि जो दूसरा नंबर है विच इज 3x, व्हाट इज द साइन ऑफ विद इट? सो as you look class, we have no sign. When there is no sign, we have as I told you, when there is no sign, so we will assume as plus sign there. Fine. तो हम क्या assume करेंगे? वहाँ पर कौन सा sign है? Positive. कौन सा sign है class? Positive. So if you look, we have two positive signs, means two like signs. So when we have two like signs, we will simply add the numbers. हम क्या करते हैं? Numbers को add करते हैं. So when we have 3x and 2x and we have a positive sign in between, so we will add the numbers, and in the end we have 5x. We have in the end 5. We will write as it is. Fine. We will write as it is. Now in next step we will assign the sign. अब sign हम किसकी बेस पे assign करते हैं? Very good. Plus greater value में greater value यहाँ पे 3 है, so we will assign plus sign here. In next step class, the next pair which is -5 plus 3y. Both signs are different. Means unlike signs and both हो रहे. So first of all we will subtract the numbers. But उसके लिए भी compulsory क्या है? Both variables are same. You have variables which is given in this question having same. ठीक है? Variables क्या होने चाहिए? Same होने चाहिए. यहाँ पे भी y और यहाँ पे भी y है. So it is very easy to subtract. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखो, we have y and we have 3y also. So when there is y, it indicates class 1. जब आपके पास कोई constant, कोई coefficient attach नहीं होता वेरिएबल के साथ, तो आप क्या assume करते हो? There is 1. There is 1. So 1 and 3. We will subtract 3 from 1. We will subtract 3 from 1. When we will subtract 3 from 1, we have 2 in the end. Isn't class? So I will write 2 here, 2y. But यहाँ पे जो हमने sign assign करना है एंड पे, वो किसकी बेस पे होगा? On what basis? That I will assign the sign with 2y. Yes, who will tell me this? Ahmad, you tell me. Very good. On the basis of greater value. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो वेरिएबल y है, उसमें ग्रेटर वैल्यू क्या है? What is the greater value in y? 3. So with 3 we have positive sign, plus sign. So we will simply write plus here. Fine. So class, this is all which is related to your previous lesson. I hope you have done question number 4 in your notebooks from page number 90. Fine. From page number 90. Now we will move towards question number 3, which is given on page number 90. Page number 90. Exercise number 4A and question number 3, which is given that question number 2, given that x equals to 6, given that x equals to 6, y equals to -4, y equals to -4. Evaluate each of the following expression A part. So what would we do in this question class? हम क्या करेंगे? We have a statement given that x equals to 6, y equals to -4. Evaluate each of the following expression. हमारे पास पार्ट गिवन है जिसमें उसने क्या दिया हुआ है 4x - 7y. If you look class in statement we have given the value of x and y also. So in this type of question we will simply put the value which is given in the question and get the answer. Fine. Now you have to be very attentive. I will write 4 here, which is as it is. Now, according to statement, we have the value of x which is equals to 6, which is given in the statement. So I will put here. अब मेरे पास जहाँ जहाँ x होगा वहाँ मैं x की क्या करूँगी वैल्यू पुट करूँगी which is 6. I have only one x, so I will only put 6 one time in this. Fine. Now I will write minus sign here. Next is 7. Next is 7. So class, according to this statement we have y. We have y. So what is the value of y in it? Y की वैल्यू क्या है यहाँ पर? -4. According to statement we have given the value of y which is -4. I will write -4 here. Fine class? Okay. In next step we will simply multiply the numbers which is 4 into 6 which is 24. Now class, if you look we have minus sign outside the bracket and minus sign inside the bracket. So we will simply apply the rule of sign table here. As you look we have both signs are same. So हमने ये क्या रूल पढ़ा था कि हमारे पास अगर तो दोनों साइंस जो हैं वो क्या होंगे सेम होंगे. So we will simply add the numbers. But वो किस में था एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में. If you look we have multiplication involved in negative numbers. वो वाला रूल लग रहा है ना, जब हमारे पास नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्व होगी तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम सिंपली एडिशन साइन जो है वो इन्वॉल्व करते हैं. ठीक है. अगर हमारे पास क्लास इफ़ वी हैव मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन्वॉल्व इन नेगेटिव नंबर, सो वी विल सिंपली असाइन द साइन अकॉर्डिंग टू साइन टेबल. फाइन. सो माइनस yes Mariam, you tell me minus plus and we will multiply the numbers as it is which is 28. It is like this. Now simply we will add the numbers in next step which is 4 plus 8 and 2 plus 2. So 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 digit number. I will write 2 here and 1 as a cap. Fine. Now for next 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So I have 52 in the end. I have 52 in the end. Fine. Now I am going to repeat. You have to be listening class very carefully. I have a question in which given that x equals to 6 and y equals to -4. Evaluate each of the following expression. I have a part in which 4x and -7y is given. So according to condition, जहाँ जहाँ मेरे पास x होगा मैं वहाँ x की वैल्यू पुट करूँगी और जहाँ जहाँ मेरे पास क्लास y होगा मैं वहाँ पे y की वैल्यू पुट करूँगी बिकॉज इट इज़ गिवन. फाइन. जब हमारे पास कोई चीज़ गिवन दी जाती है उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम वैल्यूज़ को क्या करते हैं, पुट करते हैं. अब यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू क्या थी 6 थी और y की वैल्यू क्या थी -4 थी. सो हम क्या करेंगे, x पुट करेंगे 6. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट 4 एज इट इज and we will put the value of x which is given in it. So what is the value of x in it? 6. So So when we will put 6 here, we have the next value which is y. So जब हमने y की वैल्यू पुट की यहाँ पर, तो हमारे पास क्या आ गया, -4. नाउ अब हमारे पास जो टर्म बन गई है वो क्या है, 4 इंटू 6 -7 इंटू -4. We will simply multiply the numbers because there is a sign of multiplication. अब आपने पूछा नहीं किसी ने कि टीचर यहाँ पर तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन कैसे हमें पता चला कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो रहा है. So if you look class, when there is no sign in between of two numbers, you have to remember this thing in your mind. When we have two numbers and there is no sign in between, so you will assume as multiplication is involved in it. Fine. हम क्या assume करेंगे कि वहाँ पे कौन सा sign है, multiplication. So when we will multiply this number, we have 24 in the end. I will write 24 in the next step as it is. Fine. Now moving towards next, which is minus plus. Minus plus. So I will write plus here. Now 7 into 4 is 28. I will write 28 here. In the end, I have 24 plus 28. I have 24 plus 28. So I will simply add these numbers, which is 52 in the end. Fine class? 52 in the end. Now I have another part, which is 2x square minus y3. B part मेरे पास क्या है, 2x square minus y cube. मेरे पास x की वैल्यू भी गिवन है और y की वैल्यू भी गिवन है. So I will write as it is. First of all, I will write 2 here as it is. X, what is the value of x here class? x की वैल्यू क्या है हमारे पास यहाँ पे? Very good, 6. I will write 6 here and the power as it is. Now minus sign as it is. Now I will put the value of y as it is, which is given in the question. So according to the question, what value they have given to us, who will tell me? Yes, Amna, you tell me. Very good. We have -4. I will write -4 and cube as it is. Fine. Now class 2 as it is. First of all, I will simplify this power. So when we have, as I told you, when we have class a number and we have a power also. अगर उसके ऊपर पावर होती है तो वो किसको इंडिकेट करते हैं? इस चीज को. The number is repeating that time which is given in the power. ऐसे ही होगा. माइनस, अब यहाँ पर ये वाला जो -4 है ये 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई होगा because we have 3 as a power. We have 3 as a power and we have -4 in the bracket. So ये किसको इंडिकेट करते हैं? Index notation of this is -4 and multiplication is involved in this. Fine. Now 2 as it is, 6 into 6 is 36. Minus sign as it is, -4 into 4. Simply हम क्या करेंगे, 4 times 16 and 16 4 times is 64. Fine class. और हमने ये भी पढ़ा था, if we have negative sign and the power is odd. अगर हमारे पास ब्रैकेट में नेगेटिव साइन इन्वॉल्व होगा और पावर जो है वो odd होगी, so what would we do? हम क्या करेंगे, साइन कौन सा साइन करेंगे लास्ट पे? Very good, on the basis of power. So if you look here, we have odd numbers. When we have odd numbers and we have negative sign in the bracket, we will simply write negative in the end. ठीक है. अगर पावर हमारे पास 1, 3, 5, 7 means odd होगी, which are not divisible by 2, so we will simply write minus as it is. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे मैंने जो है माइनस इन्वॉल्व कर दिया यहाँ पर. Now in next step we have 2 times of 36. We will simply multiply 2 times of 36, which is, I am going to start from the right side because it is the rule of enumeration that you will start from the right side. Now I have multiplication which is 36 is 12. I have 2-digit number. I will write 2 here, which is at unit place, and 1 as a carry, like this. Fine. Now 2 3 times is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. 72. I will write 72 here. Now minus minus, according to multiplication involving negative numbers, we have plus in the end. Fine class. हमने पढ़ा था ना रूल मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कि जब हमारे पास दो लाइक साइंस होंगे, either both are negative, both are positive, so we will write plus at this case. So I will do the same. I will write plus here, and I will write 64 here also. Fine. Now I will simply add the numbers, which is like this. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 7 is 13. In the end I have 136. In the end I have 136. When I will add 72 into 64, I have 136. Fine class. So this is all which is related to question number 2. You have to practice question number 2 all parts in your notebook. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.